Hey, say before this video gets started, this is gonna be more of a raw video. I'm not gonna do too much editing.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Because it's a car show, and plus you're not gonna really hear my voice as good as I'm talking right now, because I'm around a lot of people. That's my first time being around a lot of people, and plus it's music loud in the mug. See, right? Really, I would be worried about copyrighted, but I ain't really worried about copyrighted music because my videos are not getting monetized right now. Right now, like I said, right now. So hope y'all enjoy the video. What's going on, everybody? TT Kayla, we just made it to the car show. So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment. Do all that. It's free, simple, easy, free. Let's get it. We got this nice little SS. Look at the inside. Oh, that thing clean. They gutted it out, cleaned it. They painted the whatever you call them, panels or whatever. That thing clean. Look at it. A little back shot on it. The old school got some power. Once you crank that thing up, he probably cammed it too. Most of these are cam. They cam them things. Thing's nice. This what you want? My mama said she want this. It's gonna rumble. Yeah, it's gonna rumble. Big time. Now this is what you call a sleeper. This is a sleeper. It look all trash and stuff, but the engine, it's under the engine, under that hood and that transmission, it's a drag car truck right here. Yes, there's a thing called a drag car truck. Go to the track, you'll see why. That's what you drag race right there. You don't know it. I'm a big fan. Air filter, Tizok. This thing nice. Oh, Chevy, I promise you, this is gonna be running at the track. I can't wait till the track goes back up. Yeah. I like the side exhaust and everything. Oh, that thing nice.
Yeah, I can't sneak out of the house.
Not at all. Not at all.
I can push you down the road to start it.
Oh, we got a look. Is that Nas?
No, that's just a fire stick.
Oh, okay. That's it. Oh, my bad.
So you get points for fire.
Okay.
Not all of them.
Look. Look how maintained it is. Look at it.
Yeah,
Look at it. It's clean. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Look at the paint on it. Look at the paint on it. Oh. Paint. Got a little stripe on the top, the hood. Oh, hey, that's a T-top too. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, this is my last old school. My last old school.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
The new school side right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the old school. It's nice. The engine sit. Look how low the engine sit. Cool. Oh, that's hard. I like the red. I like it red. So when it flows through there, it looks. Oh my gosh. Look at that G. Look at the wheels. And look how it sits. Look at the red guts. Yeah, I'm recording. Look at the red guts. Red gutted. Out. Hey, this is something I get. He got the top. Look at the speakers.
Oh, that's nasty.
He got the speakers. Oh, they got the speakers on the roof. That look. Look, I done got your face. It's alright. I like this. I like the red guts. I like the red guts. Big time. Big time. This is all nice. Look how high it's hitting. That's all nice right there. This is the last little old school.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Parents want me to show this one. Old school is nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is drag right here. That's another drag one. Gotta put this one on the Trizak. Look how thick. Look how thick.
Damn, boy, he's thick, boy. That's a thick ass boy.
Got the cream guts in the side. Hey, these guts nasty. These cream inside. That's hard right now. Oh, look at the bed. Wood bed. Hey, this well
Now,
maintained.
I get this.
It's blue. It's not. I like the
That's
blue.
the big tall truck. I get this. I would get this.
Hey, this hard. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's a 53.
Man, we got a little eco boost here, but this ain't hard. It ain't. Look at this. This thing is hard. This thing, I ain't gonna lie to you. He put some money into this. Big time. Look at the air filter. Look at the air filter. That's nice. The little engine look just like my engine now. That's nice though. Big time. Then we got the big dog. We got the Shelby, the V8. V8. Oh, those are hard. Hey, this the big dog.
That's nice.
That's the big dog. Look at the wheels.
She said 526 horsepower.
For real? That's nice.
Look at that. Look at how
Big
they-
time. I see it. It's custom and everything. Oh, it's a stick too. Oh, that's all nice.
Yeah, I've already got food.
That sounds nice. Okay, now we talking. We got the big dogs over here. We got the big dogs. Remember the 500, DT 500. Boy, that boy pushing some. Look at that code ass. Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's hard. Big time. We got the 500, GT 500, GT 350. That's hard. Oh, it got the carbon wheels. These wheels, 7 racks a piece. It's crazy. Crazy. Big boy GT 500. GT 500 next to the GT 350. Oh, the 350 is thick though. Yeah, thirsty. That is hard. I like this GT 500. I don't know which one would I choose. 350, 500. 500, 500, 350. I don't know. Both of them hard though. I'm gonna get one of them. Watch. We got a little copyrighted music, so I'm gonna talk a little loud. But we got a little scat pack, wide body scat pack right here. And then wide body. Oh, I like the metallic blue. That's a hard. Big boy, what size? 305. Man, this thing clean. Yo. Wow.
Monkey.
I seen this in the game before. I ain't gonna lie to you. But this, look at this. Boy, if you hit a bump, this car done for. This is hard though. Look at the back tires. Look how low it is. Hey, oh, you talking about the bottle? Look like a Patron bottle. Oh, you talking about that? Oh yeah, dude, it's air suspension. Air suspension. Or no, it's air suspension. Dang, nice. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Stop the cap.